Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Number.
What does the dictionary say?
A numeral or group of numerals. The sum, total, count, or aggregate of a collection of units, or the like.
Math rap.
A number is a measurement or a count, a visual representation for numerical words found. They can be shown in decimals, fractions, and more, like in whole numbers, where 4 is 4.
Math rap.
Why were 4, 5, and 6 scared? Because 7, 8, 9. What is your fave number? Why? Can you count faster forwards or backwards? Test it out. Time yourself for 30 seconds and see how far you get. Choose any number and add 9 to it. Multiply this new number by 2. Subtract 4. Divide the remainder by 2. Subtract the new number by the first number you chose. Why is the answer 7? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!